Hey guys, back for another video today. This is vlog 2. So we're gonna do some shooting tomorrow morning, but for the evening, we're gonna bed down and get some shut-eye. Got my pillow and blanket. I almost said blankie. We're gonna bed down, like I said, we're gonna bed down for the night, get some rest, get some shut-eye. Hopefully you guys are doing well in the world, whether it's morning or the evening. Right now it's the evening, as you guys can sort of see out there, the beautiful moon. A little bit of a cast out there, but we're gonna get some rest, man. I'm tired. So vlog 2. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. Gonna get some shooting, and we've got some couple lessons I want to talk about. Some things I've been working on with my kids to make them better shooters. So we'll do all that all tomorrow morning. So I'll see you guys then. All right, guys, just woke up. It's beautiful outside, as you guys can see. Probably a little bit chilly outside. Usually I find that's about 10 degrees cooler or hotter than the city. So when I go back into the city, it's usually 10 degrees hotter or colder. So we're getting ready to go out and start doing some shooting as soon as I eat. I brought some peanuts, some gummies, not the other kind, just regular candy gummies, whatever. Just give myself a little bit of energy. Also brought some water and everything like that. We're gonna get ready to shoot here as soon as I get done eating. What a lot of you guys are doing, right, is you're pulling your bow arm back when you shoot, right? So don't do that. What I should be able to do, right? So I'm gonna show you guys. What I should be able to do when I put that arrow on the bow, right? It's on the shelf, right? And I pull back and I let it go. So I just let it go, right? Let it go. Look, my arm shouldn't move at all. So don't move your arm in the slightest. And when you may say, well, then where do I put the bow? What you do is it just needs to be facing the target. You're gonna have a lot less variables in your shot. You can eliminate a lot of those variables in your shot. All right, so as I draw it, come back to my anchor point, let it go, right? Just be able to have to grab the next arrow. Boom. Boom. Just like that, right? So a lot of you guys jerking your bow around, it's gonna throw off your shot. Okay, so shoot, right? And then you come down, grab another arrow. Now you may have thrown yourself off the target, right? So what I like to do, like I said, draw. It's not like you have to like keep it like 100% straight, right? Some people can. I'm developing the stamina to do that. What I'm doing is I'm trying to keep that. I'm just looking at the target, trying to keep that on target, right? A lot of you guys, like I said, loading the arrow, coming back up, shooting, dropping the bow, loading the arrow, coming back up, shooting, and then dropping your bow again, right? Nothing wrong. Like I've done it many times, but I've learned that there's a lot less variables in my